So change energy giver. So change energy giver maksudnya seorang yang positif. Seorang yang bertutur benda yang positif, fikir pasal benda yang positif, okay, dan buat benda yang positif. It's easier said than done lah. It's easier said than done. And we need to have an awareness. We need to have high level of awareness. Tak adalah immediately high kan, tapi ke arah situlah. We must have the consciousness that how we are behaving ourselves. Okay, so that is what self leadership is all about lah. That we have the self awareness of how we are thinking. Daripada thoughts kita ni jadi perkataan kita, jadi tingkah laku kita. Dan being positive ni is something that semua orang boleh buat. Cuma tak ramai yang buat. Sebab apa? Being negative is a lot easier. Being negative is a lot easier. For example, being positive means you have to take responsibility for what you say. Okay, being negative, I can just blame you. I can just blame somebody else. I can blame, for example lah, I come late. Okay, I come late. I can blame my kids. Kita cakap, anak saya pagi ni meragam lah. Dok, minta maaf saya lambat. Anak saya lambat. Saya blame pula orang gaji. My helper pula dia datang lambat juga. Dah lah saya hantar anak lambat ke sekolah. Saya kena balik rumah pula. Tunggu helper saya datang. I blame the helper. And then on the way sini sebab saya dah keluar lambat, jam pula jalan. So I blame the traffic. So I just keep on blaming. But I don't take responsibility for my actions. Okay, that means I'm not being a person that is responsible, okay, for my words and actions. Okay, that means I'm not a change energy giver lah. Okay, I suck other people's energy.